Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be covering arrays in Rust. Unlike in many other languages, arrays in Rust are a collection of values of the same type that cannot change in size. We create them by writing a separated list of values. So if I have to create, let's go ahead and do that. Name is equal to, and then over here, again, provide some names like this. As you can see here, with the names surrounded by brackets. So we have a name array containing two names, James and Dave. Now, if I have to access the elements of the array, I can do that by iterating over them. So I can write for name in, and then over here, the reference in the array. And after that, it's print line again. So we'll say print ln, and we'll have the names displayed over here. So I have to correct this names, and then over here names, and the variable name over here, and then so let's go ahead and quickly do a cargo run now. And there we go. We have James and Dave coming up. Now the type used in arrays can also be explicitly set using annotations. For example, if I go ahead and create another array, and let's call this one as numbers. So here I can go ahead and say let numbers, and over here again simply first of all define an array of numbers. So I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the default i32 type array that we have created. If I have to specify explicitly the array data type, I can do that as well. So here I can say i8, and then I have to specify the size. So after separating it with a semicolon, I can go ahead and mention the size of the array, which in this case is 4. So here I've created numbers. Now let's copy this and paste it over here. This time we'll be saying that I need to get all the num in numbers and then print them over here. So now if I go ahead and do cargo run again, it is going to output two things. First, it's going to print the names, James and Dave, and then the numbers that we have mentioned in our array. Another way to create an array is to specify the value and the number of fields that the array will prefill. For example, we could have another array, let's call it as kilobyte, and here I can go ahead and create that array. So let's say let kilobyte, and this time you will be having the array defined as, and the size over here as 1024. Basically, this technique can be used to create fixed size buffers. Like over here, we have created one called kilobyte. So this is going to create this kilobyte array, which is going to have 1024 items in it, and each one will be prefilled with unsigned 8-bit zeros. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.